Good morning students, a very warm welcome to all of you. Let us start new topic, elasticity of demand. In the part 1, I am explaining price elasticity of demand. What is price elasticity? In general terms, we can define the elasticity as the percentage change in one variable to the percentage change in another variable. The general concept of elasticity can be used to explain the following elasticities of demand. Number 1, price elasticity of demand. 2, income elasticity of demand. 3, cross elasticity of demand. 4, promotional elasticity of demand. Let us discuss price elasticity of demand. This measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity to a change in its price. We can express price elasticity as percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in the price of the commodity. Measurement of price elasticity. The price elasticity of demand can be measured by following methods. Number 1, point elasticity. Point price elasticity of demand measures the elasticity of demand at a point on the demand curve. It is calculated by the following formula. Price elasticity is equal to delta Q upon Q into delta P upon P is equal to delta Q upon Q into P upon delta P is equal to delta Q upon delta P into P into Q, where delta Q is change in the quantity demanded, delta P is change in price, Q is original quantity demanded, P is original price. Second, arc elasticity. Point elasticity method is used to find out a change in one variable due to a small change in other variable. But arc elasticity is used to find out a change in one variable due to relatively large change in other variable. Arc refers to a part of a curve between 2 points, so the term arc elasticity. Third, geometrical measurement. The point elasticity of demand can be found out with the help of geometry. The point elasticity on a linear demand curve is given by the ratio of lower segment of the demand curve below the point upon upper segment of the demand curve above the point. So, price elasticity is equal to lower segment of the demand curve below the point divided by upper segment of the demand curve above the point. Look at the diagram. When the demand curve is non-linear, that is convex to the origin, this is convex to the origin, to measure the price elasticity of demand, we have to draw tangent AB touching the given point on the demand curve and extending it to meet y-axis at a point A and B. ED is the lower segment of the demand curve given point, and upper segment of the demand curve is E. So EB is the lower segment and EA is the upper segment of the demand curve, LU. Now, point method, linear demand curve. When the demand curve is linear, that is a straight line, we extend the demand curve to meet y-axis at A and x-axis at B. Price elasticity of demand x-axis is 0 and y-axis is infinite. Elasticity of demand will be different at each point. Here it is showing that it is this point is showing it is elasticity of demand is equal to 1, it is less than 1, it is greater than 1. This is what you have to understand, that these things you have already studied in your 12th standard. This is only the revised point, measurement of price elasticity of demand. Okay, so this is the first elasticity of demand. Thank you very much.